Hello everyone, welcome here. FAQs for this course. Your questions goes here. The basic what you need and the basic understand to start learning this course. What do I need before learning this course? A basic computer with the operating system Windows is preferred. This course is prepared with the Windows operating system. The next one, any source or queries will be provided in this course. Yes, the source SQL queries are shown in the video lectures to practice hands-on sessions. So take in notes and follow the step-by-step guide to practice hands-on sessions to quickly master in SQL. Any computer requirement? Yes, a basic computer with internet active for video lectures. To get the software downloads, the free lectures where we have suggested, and also the document which we have shared with you to practice more and more. At the same time, enabling ChatGPT like AI tool account enabling and accessing by writing of a prompt to prepare your complex SQL queries and practicing real world examples with ease. See you at the course. Thank you.